First, 2 Palestinian men have been arrested after an attack on a soldier's bus in the West Bank. 6 soldiers and their civilian driver were wounded. Let's get the very latest with our Middle East correspondent Sarah Schlaller, who joins us now from the Jordan Valley, close to where that attack took place. And Sarah, first of all, what more do we know about the attack and those behind it?
Laura, the attack happened on a part of this Jordan Valley highway here. We'll pan it out to you just in a little bit. But it's a major highway in the Jordan Valley, just near the Hamada settlement in the West Bank. The highway is also between 2 major Palestinian cities, Nablus and Tubas. We're stationed here at the Hamada security checkpoint, as you can see, which gets us into the West Bank, Area A, as it's known to people in this country. It's under the Palestinian Authority, which means Israelis cannot enter, hence why we're stationed here. But up the road here, we're going to pan out to you, still part of the Jordan Valley Highway is where this Israeli bus came under fire. The attack is being labelled a terror attack. What we also know is that the 2 Palestinian terrorists who shot at the bus travelling along the Jordan Valley Highway did so apparently from a nearby truck. And those 2 men, both from the city of Jenin, have been arrested. But right now a manhunt is underway for a 3rd Palestinian terrorist who's allegedly believed to have taken part in the attack a few hours ago as well, but fled the scene and still hasn't been caught by the IDF. That search continues. We'll be sure to bring you more of those details when they do develop. But of course, the story is still developing. The IDF says that the exact details of this shooting is still under review. But in addition to all of this, there's been quite a few injuries by the passengers on this bus. At least 7 people have been injured. 6 of them Israeli soldiers, 1 of them an Israeli civilian. 2 of them were treated at the scene, supposedly hurt by gunfire. They were moderately hurt. Another 2 lightly injured, also treated at the scene. Another 2 transferred by choppers to Rambam Hospital in Haifa, where they are getting medical treatment as we speak. But in terms of what was found at the scene, several of the firearms belonging to these terrorists were found by the IDF. Even their getaway vehicle was found burning just a couple of meters nearby. And that is exactly how they were caught and arrested by the IDF, because the burning vehicle was too obvious. Then 2 men were just running in the distance, and there you go. The IDF were able to catch them, arrest them, and now they're up for interrogation there as well.
All right, a very fast-moving situation there. Sarah, thank you very much. Sarah Schlaller there in the Jordan Valley.